loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a simple, easy Valentine's look with a classic red lip. Like, who doesn't love a classic red lip for Valentine's Day? I mean, I love red lips like all year round if you ask me. But today I have this makeup look for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this simple, easy Valentine's look, then keep on watching. Okay, love, so let's get started. I already primed my face, did my eyebrows. I will leave all those products down below in the description box. But today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Foundation. I love and I'm obsessed with this foundation. Just gives you that glowy skin, and I'm all for that glowy skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to use it as an eye primer and just blend that out with my Morphe brush. I don't know the exact number, but I will leave it down below. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced setting powder, and I'm just going to use this to set the eyelids just so I can prepare myself for the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to use that shade in the middle and just use it as my crease shadow. And that's like the only shadow I'm going to be putting in my crease today. It's going to be very simple, easy makeup look. Then next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is in the shade Hustla Baby, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow. I'm going to put it all over the eyelid just to give it that pretty shimmery shade. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I just build it up until the intensity that I wanted it, so you guys are going to keep seeing me building it up. Then next, I'm going to go back into the Ulta Beauty concealer and just use it for my under eyes. And then just blend it away with my Equal Tools sponge. Then I go back into the Too Faced setting powder just to use it under my eyes. I am obsessed with this powder. It's just so beautiful and it leaves your under eyes so flawless. Like, I'm obsessed. So next, I'm going to go back into the palettes and just use the same shade I used on my eyelids and use it under the waterline. Just connect everything together. Next is going to be bronzer. I'm going to be using my Neutrogena number 30 bronzer and just bronze up the skin. I did do my eyeliner and my mascara off camera, but I will leave everything that I used down below. Then next I'm going to go in with this Benefit blush. I'm obsessed with this blush. It's just so pretty and so pigmented. Like, you guys can see my face. Like, this is so pigmented and I love it. It's so easy to blend out. Then next I'm going back into the Fenty Beauty highlighter again and just highlighting the highest points of my face. And last but not least is the lips. I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner and the liquid matte from Colourpop in the shade Arriba. I love this red shade. It's just so beautiful and so vibrant. I definitely had to use it for this look for today. And yeah guys, this is the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you all in my next video. Bye loves.